Hi, Tricia, Tita Nilda. Happy birthday. Happy debut. I know that the Lord is always with you. Ang regalo, pag punta mo na rito, ha? We love you. We always miss you, especially when we go home to the Philippines. Okay, this is Tita Nilda. Happy birthday.
Hi, Tricia. 18 years na pala ang nakaraan nung ikaw ang miracle baby namin. Dahil si Cesar nakatsamba nung panahon yon. Kala namin bunso na si Jen ay nakaisa pa sa miracle baby. Alam namin na your mom and dad did always an extra mile for you, as well as your brother Chito, Edward, and Jen. Be nice and be good always. We know that God is always with you. God bless, and me, the good Lord, always flourish us with peace, joy, and abundance in Christ. Happy birthday, happy Debo. See you soon. O nga pala, meron kaming picture na pinapadala. Picture namin ni Tita Nilda mo, si Jay, nung maliit pa si Jericho, at saka yung ngayon nakita niyo si Jericho, may kasama. Feel na feel niya, bata pa nga, feel na feel niya, may kasama siya. At yung itsura ni Jay, yun pa rin hanggang ngayon. God bless always.